Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting Siri history on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you use Siri or dictation, your requests are saved on Apple servers for 6 months. This is to help Siri better respond to you. If you would like to delete the stored history, then follow the next steps. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Siri. Scroll down the Siri settings and tap Siri History. Tap Delete Siri History. Tap Delete Siri History again. The Siri history on your watch will now be deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.